Why do environmental errors cause troubleshooting headaches? Imagine trying to fix a puzzle, but some pieces are hidden or changing shape. That's what troubleshooting environmental errors can feel like. These errors happen outside the software code itself, making them tricky to pin down. When software interacts with hardware, operating system settings, network connections, or storage resources, problems can pop up. These external factors might not seem directly related to the code, but they cause failures or bugs. Because the environment can change over time or differ across systems, it's hard to reproduce the exact problem every time. One big reason environmental errors cause headaches is that conditions like available memory or CPU load are unpredictable. For example, if a computer is running many programs, it might not have enough memory for your software to work properly. These issues aren't bugs in the code but are caused by the environment state. Troubleshooting then becomes a game of guessing which environmental factor is causing the problem. Resource limitations are another challenge. If your program asks for more resources than the system can give, errors happen. For instance, opening too many files at once might hit the maximum allowed by the operating system, leading to failures. These aren't coding errors but environmental constraints. Fixing them involves adjusting system settings or reducing resource demands. Configuration issues also add to the confusion. If system settings, permissions, or environment variables are wrong or not optimized, the software might not run as expected. For example, if an application's database connection points to the wrong server or has incorrect credentials, errors will occur. Troubleshooting requires checking these settings carefully, which can be complex. External dependencies like databases, APIs, or shared services can cause environmental errors too. If an external service is slow or down, your software might behave as if there's a bug. Shared resources on a network can also cause transient errors when multiple processes compete for the same resources. These issues are often unpredictable and hard to diagnose. Reproducing environmental errors is often the toughest part. Because they depend on specific conditions, recreating the exact environment can take a lot of time. Without being able to reproduce the problem reliably, fixing it becomes guesswork. This is especially true in modern systems that use distributed or cloud-based architecture. These systems spread resources across multiple locations, making it harder to trace the root cause. To troubleshoot environmental errors effectively, it helps to set up test environments that closely mirror production. Monitoring system resources and logs can reveal what's limiting or causing failures. Checking configuration settings systematically is also key. Using tools that capture runtime metrics and traces can give a clearer picture of how the environment interacts with your software. When working with distributed systems, remote debugging tools are often necessary. Understanding that environmental errors are not caused by faulty code shifts the focus to the environment itself. By paying attention to external factors and resource management, you can reduce troubleshooting headaches and fix issues faster. This approach makes debugging more straightforward and helps keep your software running smoothly.